scientists placed a question at the edge of what was knowable. What exactly happens inside a human brain in the final second of life?
For centuries,
The
this was a
answer
mystery.
changed
Now science has
everything.
looked inside.
Changes how we understand everything.
Research that shocked everyone. They set out to study death and found something nobody expected.
The data they collected made scientists stop and stare.
Last second of life, the brain becomes more active than it ever was.
Your brain at death makes your most awake moment look like sleep.
Your brain, in its final second, achieves something most meditators spend years trying to reach.
While regions normally take turns, occasionally they all fire at once, like an orchestra playing a single synchronized note.
This is why what happens next is so extraordinary.
Why does this happen? Science offers three main theories, and they are all mind-bending.
If true, changes everything we think about consciousness. This is why people who survive near death report the most vivid experience of their lives. 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million, 15 million.
Across the globe, over 15 million people have reported near-death experiences, sharing similar themes of tunnel.
Science now has an explanation for each one of these, starting with the tunnel.
The tunnel isn't supernatural. It's your visual cortex running out of oxygen.
What feels mystical has a beautiful scientific answer. Did you know? Central vision dies last.
Why is there light?
Last active cells plus brightest. Light at the end of the tunnel. It has a precise biological cause. Central vision dies last.
Your brain releases 100 times its normal DMT. Every pain signal shuts down completely.
The peace
Your
is
whole
real.
life
The chemistry
plays
confirms it.
simultaneously. In one single second.
All pain disappears. Natural painkillers, 94% report, no pain. Your brain protects you from pain completely. All pain disappears. Evolution gave you the most compassionate exit possible.
In the life review, 1 second feels like much longer. Your brain processes enough for a lifetime of experience in that instant.
What fits inside that second is what we explore next.
Memory speed accelerates to 1,000 times faster, allowing your entire life to be reviewed in 1 second.
It takes 80 years to live. Your brain reviews in a single second. What the brain reviews most: childhood, recent events, and key moments. No judgment, only understanding. 87% report deep peace during review.
Regrets seen without pain. This is perhaps the most profound gift. Clarity die without suffering.
The life review is a gift cleanse to those who survive it cleanse, and perhaps counts a final understanding for those who don't.
Is consciousness the brain or beyond? CONSCIS active brain flatline. Clean flat 2D kurzgesagt cartoon ONL wheel IPWEM. EEG flatline visualization. Then awareness.
I saw the star. I saw the triangle. I saw the star. I saw the triangle.
If this theory is correct, consciousness is not created by the brain. It uses the brain.
Science confirms the peace in life. Perhaps science and faith were always describing the same thing.
What we know colors is extraordinary color. What we don't know colors is even more extraordinary.
Stand at the same edge you will one day reach.
Blind people seeing during NDE. 31 cases all described visual experience, scientifically unexplained.
The greatest minds agree on one thing: we don't know yet, and that is perhaps the most honest answer.
The science of dying turns out to be the science of living. Your brain's final review always shows the same thing. Love was the only thing that mattered.
Every question answered opens 10 more. That is why science never stops.